Hi, good morning everyone. My name C. Ankit Jayesh Kothari, Committee Member ICI Abu Dhabi Chapter. I have with me Dr. Alok Agarwal, Director Financial Services at CROW UAE. Thank you Dr. Alok for accepting our invitation and sharing your knowledge on IFRS 17. Dr. Alok is going to take a detailed session on IFRS 17 in today's PDC event. This interview is just a glimpse of the complete session which is going to get uploaded on our ICAI YouTube channel. Dr. Alok, if with your kind permission, can I ask you some questions related to IFRS 17, please?
Yeah, sure. First of all, thank you so very much, ICI Abu Dhabi. Thank you, Ankit. Thank you, the committee members and the chairperson for inviting me to speak on the IFRS 17 session. It's indeed an honor and privilege, and I look forward to adding value on such a complicated standard, which IFRS 17 is.
Yes, sir. So if you could take us through the journey and key objectives of IFRS 17.
Well, IFRS 17 is a standard, in short, which has taken almost 20 years to come into being. It has gone through various debates, exposure drafts, so on and so forth. So the wait is over, the standard is finally here. And as we are at the cusp of disruption, IFRS 17 represents a disruption not only in the accounting standard space, but for the insurance industry as a whole.
Correct.
Now, the standard took so long, so that has been the journey of the standard. And the standard is effective 1st of Jan 2023. So we are almost there. And the earlier application of the standard was permitted provided IFRS 9 was in place. But now we are there, as I said. And so that is the IFRS 17 journey. And as far as the objective of IFRS 17 is concerned, the objective of IFRS 17 is to ensure that the entity provides relevant information which faithfully represents the insurance contracts. Now, that information will enable the users of financial statement to see and assess what impact insurance contracts will make on the financial performance, on the financial position, and the cash flows of the company.
Correct.
So that is the core objective of IFRS 17.
Correct. Many of our viewers would be interested, sir, to get an understanding on how IFRS 4 is different from IFRS 17.
Well, IFRS 4, in short, has been an interim standard. Now we have a full-fledged comprehensive standard, IFRS 17, in place. As far as differences are concerned, let me just take you through one or two important differences. The key element in IFRS 17 is it brings in an element of consistency in accounting treatment, especially when we talk of major areas like revenue recognition and liability valuation. Whereas when we talk of IFRS 4 in terms of accounting treatment, the entities were kind of had their discretion to interpret in terms of revenue recognition and in terms of the valuation of reserves.
Correct. Just moving on to the last question, sir. What do you think would be the key challenges versus key benefits of adopting this IFRS 17 in a UAE-specific insurance regime?
Yeah, the UAE insurance sector is quite matured when it comes to the GCC insurance space. And here it's a regulator-led, regulator-driven environment. Of course, internationally also it is. And we have around 58, 59 odd insurance companies operating under the insurance authority, which is under the umbrella of CBUAE. So this particular standard is going to bring in an element of consistency, as I said earlier, in terms of various accounting treatments which the entities are undertaking currently as of this date. And to just give you a short example, this IFRS 17 brings in an element of segregation of insurance insurance finances and the insurance results. And of course, when these are segregated, then of course there is a clarity in terms of the what the underwriting results are and what the financial results are. So the users of the financial information can interpret very clearly in terms of quality of earnings and in terms of source of profits. So that is one very, very good advantage in terms of the IFRS 17 as applicable to the UAE insurance sector. So that transparency, I believe, will come in. And the IFRS 17 benefits are numerous. So in interest of time, one more thing, there are a lot of insurance companies which have not attained a critical mass. So this IFRS 17 is going to impact the insurance company in various ways beyond finance, IT, actuarial, and various areas of the company. So it is a great opportunity as well for the insurance firm and the sector as a whole to review their business model and of course undertake a massive improvement in terms of the systems, the processes, the controls, and bring in efficiencies using the latest techniques around data analytics and of course various other product improvements, customer service improvement, and of course there could be another opportunity for mergers and acquisitions which I foresee, because there could be some companies as a result of this implementation of this standard, they may not be in a position in terms of the capital requirements or in terms of compliance with the critical elements of the standard plus the overall regulatory framework. So that they may present a solid opportunity for the potential acquirers, and possibly we may see a wave of mergers and acquisitions in times to come. So we can go on, the benefits are numerous, but this is what I see.
Correct, sir. Thank you so much for providing your valuable insights. Sir, for highlighting that there would be a uniformity in the financial statements, there would be a segregation between insurance, non-insurance revenues. So you have provided a lot of valuable insights for our viewers. We look forward for your session, sir. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you
much
so
appreciated.
much. Thank you.
Thank you.